Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to permanently remove watermark, activate Windows 10 or 11. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. When Windows is not activated, the inscription activate Windows appears in the lower right corner. Go to the settings to activate Windows. This watermark is bothering some people, and today we will learn how to remove it in several ways. So right click on the start icon and select run. In the small window that opens, enter Regedit and click OK. The registry editor opens, and here you need to select HK local machine, then system, look for CurrentControlSet and select services in it. Then scroll down and find svsvc, open it. The wall path is indicated above, and I will leave it in the description to make it easier for you. So find the start file and right click, select modify. In the window that opens, you need to enter the number 4 and click OK. After that, restart your computer and the watermark will disappear. Go to the second method, right click on the start icon and select search, enter CMD and open command prompt as an administrator by right clicking. You need to enter slmgr rearm as I did. I will also leave this in the description. After that, press enter. And then you need to restart your computer and the watermark will disappear. And finally, let's the third method, go back to the registry editor as in the first method and find the HK current user. Next, click on the control panel and select desktop. Then on the right side we find the PaintDesktopVersion. Double click and enter the number 0. Click OK and close. Then restart the computer and check. You will ask why I have told you 3 different ways, and I will answer that not everyone can use a certain method. For some it will work, for others it will not. Therefore try to do all 3 and write in the comments which one help you, or tell us another way. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.